Hello, my BL lovers. This is the English explanation and summary for the episode 6 of the series Jazz for Two. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hante brings Sehun to his home. He prepares food for him. Even though their relationship didn't had any name, but they looked like cute newlywed couples, sleeping in together for the first time. Sehun asked Tei that why did he hate jazz so much. As for him, he feels free when he plays it. Intentional or not, they often get chances to come close to each other, and this makes Sehun's heart skip a beat. As Sehun wakes up, Tei was all over him. Sehun's uniform was all wet. His phone battery was dead. Doyun was unaware of what happened, so he asked Tei about Sehun's clothes and was also concerned as he was skipping lunch. Sehun wasn't going out because of his clothes, but was hungry. Tei brings food for him. Sehun's brother came to meet him as his phone was off and he and his dad were worried about him. He asks Sehun to come back home and leaves. Doyun came to see Juha, but Juha was angry at him, wondering that Doyun must have told others about that kiss. But Doyun confesses his feelings for him. Juha was agitated by it and calls him dirty. This made Doyun upset and he promises to pretend that they don't know each other anymore. Yoon Se-hoon returned home, but instead of getting angry, his father asked him his well-being and told him to go and rest. So much has happened with Se-hoon in a very short time, but all he remembered and wanted was to be more close to Tei. He came to meet Tei where he used to be, by skipping classes. Sehun asked Tei to help him improve in jazz by listening to him and letting him know his mistakes. Tei asked him to meet at the piano room after the class for it. Doyun started ignoring Juha. Tei asked Sehun to play the piano with his eyes closed, as the only thing he is missing in it is the soul. Sangjuhi was coming with Doyun, so Juha was curious as to what were they talking about. She asked him to apologize to Doyun for punching him. Hantei went to meet his uncle. He is always thinking about his brother and wanted to know that if he made that choice because he was weak. Juha was thinking about Doyun when he met some thugs with whom he messed up earlier, and now they had the chance to take a revenge on him. Even after this, he was still thinking about Doyun. Sehun was looking for Tei, but he met Juha. Juha was not in right state of mind and was angry at him for all what was going on. Tei interrupted and asked him to stay away from Sehun. As Sehun was hurt, so Tei got the medicines for him. He was worried for Sehun. Yoon Se-hoon can't stop thinking that how they met and how those tiny little moments of closeness became special for him. And now he wants the answer to his question as what is he to Tei? So guys, if you liked the video, please watch for the next episode, that is episode 7. Thank you.